Hello everyone and welcome back to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video I'm going to talk about Udemy, the largest online learning platform. On this platform you'll get courses on any topic you can think about. Here I am on the home page and you can see this category section. Under this category section you will see the subjects on which you can get a course on Udemy. These subjects have further subtopics. You can check them out yourself by clicking on this greater than symbol against each topic you see here. So for my case I'll look inside IT and software. Let's click on it and these are the subtopics. So I can easily go ahead and search for my subject on this section, or I can simply go back to the home page and see the featured courses here if any of these courses interests me. You can see the rates here, but don't worry, they have free courses as well, but the ratio of free to paid courses is a little on the higher side for paid courses. So in this video I'm going to show you the courses which are available for enrollment for free, and I'll try to get all the free courses that Udemy offers in this video itself. Let's see. So when you are on udemy.com, just click on free and hit enter. You will see there are 10,000 results for free, and let's see if we get courses for free. Here you can see the first course, stock market investing for beginners, and this has this free tag. And if I keep scrolling, I'll see each of these courses in the search result are free to enroll. This is one way to get free courses on Udemy. If you click on any of these courses, first let's click on game hacking. This one has free tag here. You can see by clicking on enroll now I can take this course for free. But let's go back and see another way to get it. If you want to narrow down to the subject of your choice, for example, if I am looking for a programming language course, particularly Python course, let's see, Python for data science. Let's see if we have any free courses about the same on Udemy. Let's search. Okay, these are the search results, and here you can see each one has a rate. But if I go to filter and click on price and click on free, let's see what we get. Okay, here you can see we have free courses for the subject I am looking for, Python for data science. This is the course, and if I click on it, I can see that this course has been taken by 60,000 plus students already, and the rating of the course is 4.4, and the total length of the course is 3 hours and 55 minutes. The only drawback here is with free courses you do not get certificate of completion, instructor's question and answer section, and you cannot send instructor direct messages. But if you go for the paid courses, these are the benefits you have with Udemy courses. And one more thing, if you go for paid courses, don't worry, you don't have to pay much. If you follow my videos and my website, you will see coupon codes there. You will never have to pay above $15 for any course you want to take on Udemy. So yes, whether you want to go ahead with paid courses or free courses, you can simply go to my website and then look for the coupon. Inside the description box of this video I have shared one exclusive link using which you can get Udemy courses at discount, and for free you can follow this video how to go ahead and enroll in free courses. So for this course I'm going to show you how to enroll in this one. Since this is free, just go ahead and sign in with your Udemy account. If you don't have one, create one. Takes less than a minute. So when you have the account, you chose your course, just simply click on enroll now, and that is it. You don't have to do anything else. Here you can see great choice, and the course has been enrolled. Here you can see, if I click on start course, I will be able to start the course immediately. So this is the first video, introduction to Python, and rest of the stuff is here. You can see course content section wise. I can jump back and forth as I want. This is the overview of the course by the numbers. Each and everything you want to read, you can go ahead. Notes and announcement section. So with free, these are the columns you have. With paid ones, you have several other columns. So do check that out if you want. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in comments. I'll try my level best to answer them. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so I can keep creating such videos for you. Thank you. Have a good day.